When Jesus came to the region of Caesarea Philippi, he asked his disciples.
Who do people say the Son of Man is?
They replied,
Some say John the Baptist, others say Elijah,
and still others, Jeremiah or one of the prophets.
Well, what about you?
he asked.
Who do you say I am?
Simon Peter answered,
You're the Christ, the Son of the living God.
Blessed are you, Simon, son of Jonah. For this was not revealed to you by man, but by my Father in heaven.
And I tell you that you are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of Hades will not overcome it. I will give you the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven, and whatever you loose on earth will be loosed in heaven.